define what it means to be great for your company. And every single company in this room has a different definition of what it means to be great, to work for you. If this is the vision, if this is where we want to be, everything standing in our way of getting there, it's just an issue. The key here is that you've got to be really good at solving them. Now, there's no coincidence that vision's on top and traction's on bottom. Because vision without traction, it's hallucination. Think about your best client. How would they describe you? What are the top 3 things that they would use to describe why they do business with you? And the idea with vision is we've just got to get everybody in our company 100% on the same page with where we're going and the plan of how we're going to get it there. And what we found is that you've got to tell your people 7 times before they hear you for the first time. Repetition is key. So we as leaders have to change our mindset from being frustrated, say, gosh darn it, I've told them 3 times, why don't they get it? And saying, only 4 more to go. Let's imagine you and your leadership team are on an island. You have no communication back to the business whatsoever, other than a sheet of paper that shows up on your lap along with a frosty beverage. What are those 5 to 15 measurables you need to see on a weekly basis to know that everything's on track and working? Your businesses are like a flywheel, and most of us as leaders, this is what we're doing, is we're trying to turn the flywheel. We're pushing with all of our might, trying to get it to turn, and what happens is we end up with back pains because we're trying to do it all ourselves. To get the flywheel to turn, you've got to get help from everybody else in your team, everybody pushing on that flywheel at the same time, and you will get it to spin without back pains. We got to stop using Band-Aids, duct tape, and twine in our business. We got to start solving issues for the long-term greater good of the company.